At RE/MAX DFW Associates, you'll find a place you'll be happy to call home. Here's a property listed by your experienced agent, Jeff, and it's brought to you by this sponsor. And it's located in this area. This townhome gives you the privacy and space of your own home in a convenient urban setting. Currently listed at just under $300,000. Considering a mortgage for this property? Here are some options with regards to today's interest rates and monthly payments. This property was built in 2014 and features over 1,900 square feet of space, providing plenty of space for you to entertain or enjoy a cozy night in. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, so everyone will have a private space to come home to, as well as 2 full bathrooms and 1 partial bathroom. But here's what sets this property apart from the rest. Parents will be pleased to know that it's located near several schools. With a walkability score of 2.7, the neighborhood encourages an active lifestyle, so you can easily get around on foot, making for shorter commutes and a healthier environment. There are also some valuable features and benefits in this home, like a vaulted ceiling, making your room seem bigger and giving it a light and airy feeling. A porch, so you've always got somewhere to hang out and get some fresh air. And a patio, the perfect place to spend sunny afternoons and warm evenings. All these great amenities make for a property that you'll be happy to call home. Courtesy of this sponsor. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, we'd love to hear from you. Just click here to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends.